hit the live watch now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello there. This is Saktivel welcoming you to today's episode of NumberRoyale. Hope you're having a good day and everybody's social distancing and staying safe. We've got 8 games today. We've got, looks like a few new people coming in. We have Matt Cos Bad, we've got Kumaran, we've got Kyle, Selva, and of course our visitor from Moon, LA Sheds. So welcome everyone. And we've got 8 puzzles, some 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, and remember 3 numbers have possible multiplication thrown in. So we need to be careful. I think I saw some of you fumbling around yesterday, and so that should not be an issue today. So you're warned early. So be ready for those when the 3 numbers. I think we also have a decimal thrown in there. So be alert. I hope you're all warmed up. Let's get started on question 1. 7, 6, desired result of 13. We give you a little bit of extra time for the newcomers to get used to this. So it's either 7 plus 6 or 6 plus 7. 2 possible answers. I know you all locked in, and let's take a look at what the results are. Is everybody doing 7 plus 6? Pretty big variation today. 7 plus 6 is 13. 17 of you have given the answers, and 6 plus 7 has been given by 13 of you. All right, so that's pretty the biggest split I've seen so far. Maybe because the numbers are so close to each other. Let's move on to question 2. 1.4, 9.25 with a desired result of 7.85. I know it looks a little bit intimidating, but it's very simple. Okay, so just think about it a little bit and see whether you need to add or subtract. I think subtraction was the only possible solution, and 20 of you have locked that in. So I'm wondering what the other 10 were doing. Maybe you're distracted a little bit. You reached out for a cup of coffee, or your TV serial was distracting you. So don't worry about it. 20 of you got this, and you got 37 points for the leader. Let's move on to question 3. 4, 2, 6, and a desired result of 8. So just so you're aware, there is a multiplication option available, and I'm wondering how many of you are going to use that. So you can also do it without the multiplication in this particular case. So you've got several options, and let's see how many of the options that you have used. I believe this one had 10 solutions, and you have given 5 of those. So the leading solution is 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So 8 of you have given that, and everything else is given by 3 or fewer people. So the leader is at 45 points. Let's move on to question 4. 6, 4, and 9, and a desired result of 15. So this gets interesting, right? You must use all 3 numbers. You can't just add 6 plus 9 and get 15 and say, well, I'm done. No. What are you going to do with the 4? You got to dispose of it somehow. So I think the only way to do this is multiplication, if I'm not mistaken. So let us see how you're coming up with that answer. How many of you are able to come up with it? So it looks like 9 of you have given the answers. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 9 is 15. That's given by 7 of you. 2 of you chose to go the other way, 4 times 6, and then subtract 9 out of that. They're both correct answers, and the others, wake up, there's multiplication available, please use it. So here we go. Question 5. 16, 8, 5, and a desired result of 40. So just adding them up is not going to cut it, right? It's going to get you only 29 at the most. You got to get 40. So multiplication is the way to go. And how are you going to do this? I'm thinking myself, and I still don't have an answer mentally. So there's only 2 possible solutions. So it's 16 minus 8 times 5. That's 13 of you have given that, and the other person has given 5 times 8, which is 40, which is also a correct answer. So the leader's at 65 points now, and compare yourself as you're finishing up the 3 number puzzles. So let's move on to the next one. This is 4 numbers, and you can take a breather, right? We take off from the multiplications. It's just addition and subtraction now. It's 3, 9, 8, and 2 with a desired result of 2. There are 60 possible solutions. So you have a ton of solutions to choose from. And as you know, your points are based on how many of the other competitors are giving the same answer as you. So if first is get the answer right, and the second one is, of course, see whether you can match your answers with something. So don't go for some strange solution. Out of the 60 possible solutions, 5 have been given. The leading point getter is 9. 9 of you have given the solution. 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, and the leader is at 74 points. Let's move on to question 7. And the leader is at 74 points. Let's move on to question 7. And the leader is at 74 points. 3, 4, 1, and 6. And the desired result is 6. There are 150 possible permutations and combinations. And so you have, we've given a little bit of extra time. Yesterday, there was a comment that that you didn't have enough time. So we've given an extra 5 seconds for both 3 number puzzles as well as the 4 number puzzles. So with that, there are 11 possible solutions out of 150 have been given. I think this is the first time we have breached the double digits. Our audience is getting more and more variety into the solutions. So this is double digit solutions given, and the leading point getter is just 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's the leader is at 76 points. So you can look at where you are and see if you can make a terrific comeback on question 8 that's coming up just now. 20, 24, 15, and 2. The desired result is 9, just addition and subtraction. No multiplications thrown in yet. It's coming later. Or maybe we should save that for the genius mode. So let me know what you guys think, and lock your answers in. We've got quite a good crowd going here. So we're waiting for the answers as we speak. And remember, invite your friends and family. 5 solutions out of the possible 60 are given. The leading point getter is 13. And it's 24 minus 20 is 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So you've got, that's the leading point getter with 13. And the leader is at 89 points. So congratulations to whoever the leader is, and the leader is, and we'll find that in just a moment. But just a few housekeeping rules. Just invite your friends and family. We need to have more people join, share the wealth, share the fun. So let them come on over. There's not a whole lot else to be doing these days anyway. We're all pretty much locked in, or self-distancing and quarantined in. So this is a nice way to spend about 8-10 minutes of your time, and intellectually stimulating. So I welcome you and everybody else who wants to join us. So let's go take a look at who the winners are. We have 20 winners, and let's take a look at the top point getters. Hema Deepu 03 at 89 points, Selvi 17 at 89 points are the number royals for the match today. And Siddharth and Ratna MJ both at 82. So congratulations to each and every one of the players today. You made it a great game. I love the variety that you brought to this match. We also have 20 winners, so each and every one of you, congratulations. And remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow.